Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to make money on Warior Plus. But look, it's not just for Warior Plus this video. You can use this for any affiliate marketing network. You can use this for ClickBank, you can use it for JVZoo, Share a Sale and many more. Now what I'll tell you about affiliate marketing is many people get excited in the beginning when they understand the process, which is basically whereby you can recommend and share a product and somebody purchases that product and then you earn what is known as an affiliate commission. Now what happens is, and this happened to me and I'm sure it's happened to many of you who may be watching this, is you get excited, you start going through the process, and then what ends up happening is something like this. So you can see here, this is from the 1st of January 2018 to the end of January 2018. And over on Warior Plus, I earned the grand total of $174, which is insane, isn't it? However, let me share with you something that makes it even more ridiculous. See over here, these are all of the different products which I was recommending and sharing. This here, where it says hops, is people who I sent over to these different affiliate products. So you can see here, I sent over 798 people to different products on Warior Plus. From that, I made 16 sales, which is a conversion rate of 2%. Pretty terrible. However, I then, started to learn about affiliate marketing and how to do this correctly, and then let me share with you the following year. So if we go very quickly here, let's go to the 1st of January 2019, and we'll go to the end of 2019. We'll go over here, and we'll click on here, and we'll click on go. So remember 174. The following year, look at this. It then jumped up to $42,332 with affiliate marketing. So what happened? How did it change so drastically? Well, there's a number of things to this, but let me walk you through this process and how we get to, potentially earning this amount of money here compared to the previous one. So over on Warior Plus, you can find many products that you can sign up as an affiliate for and start promoting, and it's the same on any other platform. So you come over here where it says Marketplace, and you click on home. Oh, by the way, you can create an account on Warior Plus for free, same as like ClickBank and other accounts. Now on here you can find, this is currently the top 10, but you can filter this to the top 25 if you want to, and this is, as you can see here, today. You can filter this via yesterday, the last 7 days, or the last 30 days. So you can see these are all of the top products on here. The other way you can find different products to promote over on Warior Plus is using a platform called Muncheye. Okay, muncheye.com. Now on here you can find all of the different products. You can see here, this is the Internet Marketing Products Launch Calendar. So if you come over here, on the left hand side you have what is known as big launches, and on the right hand side you have all launches. So on here you can see W Plus stands for Warior Plus, JV2, this stands for JVZoo, and sometimes you have other platforms on here. Sometimes you have ClickBank. You can see we've got ClickBank over here. So you can go through and find all of these products on here, and it will give you a bit of more information about this. So if we just go on to, let's just find one. So let's just go on, what is this, local birthday leads. Let's just click on here and have a look at this. So you can see this is the vendor name. If I click on JV page, you can find out more information about the product. So here, look, welcome JV partners, it tells you about the product. Come down here. Normally there's more information on here about what this is. Look, you can get your affiliate link. Here is the pricing. So look, it costs $27. You can earn 50% commissions. And then there's also OTO, stands for one time offer, which is basically an upsell. You earn 50% commission, and there's a downsell, and again you earn 50% commission. So it's pretty good. Look, it tells you the prices on here and lots more. The other thing why I recommend going over onto Muncheye is on here as well. What you can do is, if I scroll back up to the top, normally what happens is they have links, not at the top, have they gone at the bottom? They've not got them on this example. Let me share another one with you, because what you can actually do is you can actually reach out to the content creator or the course creator and request to have what is known as access. It's called JV Review Access, which basically means they will give you the product for free and you can review that product, and then you can create a review video around it, or you can recommend it and share it at a later date. So again, if you click on here, whiteboard, we'll go in here and have a look at this. Look at this, this looks a lot better. Look, launch date, scroll down here, look, you can preview the sales page, you can get your affiliate link, more about the funnel, you've got email swipes on here, and this person's not included in it either. If this happens and you can't find this, what you can actually do is just literally go over onto Warior Plus and just try and find the person from there. Look, Mike from Maine. Mike normally has gone here. Mike normally has social links, and the reason why you want social links is purely because, come down to the bottom here, look, here we go. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. So you can email Mike here, you can contact him on Skype, Facebook, and lots more. And the reason why I recommend this, especially when you're first starting out, is you can send them a message and say, look, I'm just starting out in affiliate marketing. I found your product. I'm going to try and promote it via X, Y, and Z. Could I please get review access? And look, they will also, give you that access because it's, it benefits them if you're sending them traffic and sales. The other thing what you'll find on here is bonuses. Now, this is something what I wasn't doing originally in terms of affiliate marketing. Now, if I scroll down here, they've not done it yet, but normally a lot of these vendors on here, they will give you bonuses, which basically means you can give something away for free in exchange for it's basically like an ethical bribe. So you're saying to someone, look, you're interested in this product, if you're going to buy it via my affiliate link, I will give you this bonus, and this one. Okay, so that's one way of increasing your conversion rate over on Warrior Plus. But once you've got the product that you're going to market and share, the next part of this is obviously you're going to need traffic, i.e. people. So how do you do that? There's a number of ways that you can do this. You can create content on YouTube, which isn't that difficult. You can literally just record your screen and talk over the top of this. You can create blog articles, and again, you can do that for free. So YouTube is free. Blogging is free. You can go ahead and get a blog. You can even use a Google site, or you can use Wealthy Affiliate. In fact, I'll drop a link to Wealthy Affiliate below for you. That allows you to create 2 websites for free, and then you can go ahead and do that. And let me share with you how this looks. So if I go on here and I click on, let's just go on to Earn Online, I'll show you one of my blog articles about this so you can see how all of this comes together. So scroll down here. Now, this one here, look, get domains product review. So I got access to this product. I then created a blog article around this. So look, can you see this here? This is just taken from the sales page. I've got a video here of me talking about this product here. And look, key points of the product, bonuses. So you see this here, look, this is bonus number 1. So I was offering this product for free in exchange of someone purchasing using my affiliate link. We've then got bonus number 2, bonus number 3, and bonus number 4, and then another bonus here. So it's kind of making like a no-brainer for someone. A lot of the times these products are like $12 or $17, and if I'm offering bonuses worth including up to $100 plus, etc., then it makes it great value for them to go ahead and purchase this. So we can create blog articles like this, outlining the product, walking through the product, what it's about. I also include the pricing on here and lots more. And then what happens is somebody clicks on here. Let me show you. They click on here and look, it goes over to Warrior Plus via my affiliate link. And in a second, the sales page, look, getdomains.site, this is the sales page. So if I was to purchase this now, I wouldn't earn it from my own click, but if someone else was to do this, I would earn an affiliate commission. It's pretty cool. The one thing where this all started to turn around for me was I included a bonuses. So, I said to people, I will give you these bonuses. And a lot of the time you can find the bonuses on the sales page or the JV page, but you can actually create your own bonuses. So you can use PLR and lots more things. I mean, anything you can give away as a bonus. I've seen people use YouTube videos and lots more, but you can literally just go onto Google and type in free PLR. I mean, this isn't the best way to do this, but you can find quality PLR. So you can get lots of products for free. You can even sometimes buy PLR, and that's what I tend to do. So a lot of the time now I will buy a product related to the product that I'm an affiliate for, and then I will give that away as a bonus. But when I first started out, I just come over to the websites like this and find something relevant to the product that I'm promoting. You can see here, look, it's absolutely free. So once I've got some bonuses done here, let me go back over here, let me go on to Warrior Plus, let me go on to affiliate, and let me just go on offers. I want to show you something really cool that I did, because this is where everything started to change for me, was once I've got the bonuses and I've got my affiliate link. Let me just go ahead and show you this. Let me find one. Let's just type in, I'm just going to type in get domains. Come down here and look, I'm going to click on get link. So you see here, look, this here is my affiliate link. But now you see here where it says buy bonus URL. This here is my own URL. So what happens is, let me just copy this and I'll show you this so you understand how powerful this is and how it works. So if I come here, what happens is once someone's purchased the product on Warior Plus, they'll go to purchase history on here, and then they can access the products that they've purchased. Like so here, so you can see these are different products that I have purchased here. So if I was to go into any of these, so let's just go on to this one here, for example, I purchased this product. Underneath it says here, access affiliate bonus. So if I click on there, what happens is I'm going over to the affiliate, whoever I purchased that product from, I'm going over to their bonus page here, and look, get instant access, enter your email here. So I'll put my email in here, and then in this example, I go onto somebody's email list, and this is exactly what I've done myself. So if I just paste this URL in here, you remember on Warior Plus where it said enter your affiliate, enter, let me just show you again. So if I click on back, and I'll go over to, go back again. You remember where it said enter your, let me just put in this, get domains, where it said enter your affiliate bonus link. So I'm going to click on here, click on search, scroll down here, click on get link. You remember here where it says buy a bonus URL, this is my own URL that I've put in here. And then what happens is, someone clicks that blue box, they go over to this here, look, where should I send your bonuses? They put their name and email in, then they get access to the bonuses that I have created for them. And I create this using GetResponse, and I highly recommend this because you can try this out for free for 30 days. After 30 days it costs, I think it's about $12, but it's really simple. All I do is I come over here and I go to, forms and surveys, and I go into here and I create a form or a survey, but basically it's just a page like this. So you just click on create a form, like so, and then you can do a list building wizard. You can use any of these. I just go with one of these, and then it just takes a second to load up. But look, you've got all of these templates on the left hand side, and you can edit any part of these. So look, if you like the look of this one, for example, you click on here, like so, and then it will open this up for you. And then basically any part of this, you can edit this. So it's really simple. So we'll click on here, look, use template. It takes a second to load up. And then this here is where we send people over to, from Warior Plus over to our bonus page here. Look, and all we're doing here is we just type in here, look, we just type in, we type in, where should I send your bonuses? Okay, and you play around with this until you're happy with this, like so. Okay, but once you're happy with this and you go through this and you can preview it and you can add other bits in here, if you really want to, what you do is here, let me just move this along, we just click on publish. Okay, and then look, you click here, get response. So this here, look, your form, this here is my link which I would go ahead and put in my buy a bonus URL down here. The only other thing to tell you about is if I click on, let me go back to the form creator, once people put their name and email in, obviously you want to add them to a list inside of GetResponse. So on here we'll go to settings. Look, you can name this, so you can change this to any affiliate product, so you could just, I'm just going to put example for now. But on here, look where it says choose list. This is whereby when they put their name and email in, they automatically get added to one of my affiliate lists on here. So if I just click on that one there, for example, not taught at school members, and then look, it says where do you want to send them? Do you want them to stay on the same page, or do you want to send them over to, wherever? Basically here, I just send them over to the bonuses, and the bonuses, I just upload them onto a Google Doc, and it's really simple to do. But once you've done that, you click on save, you click on publish, just takes a second here, and then we get that URL, this one here, look, we'll click on get response will host my form, we copy that like so, we go back over to Warior Plus, we click on get link, and we paste our buy a bonus URL in here. So what I'm doing here is, not only am I giving something away of value and earning money in the process, I'm capturing people's email. And the reason why I want to capture their email is so that I can follow with them to related products, or if there's a certain product which I think you bought this product, you might like this one, I can email them that way. But basically, this is how you make money on Warrior Plus or any affiliate network. You decide on a category or a niche, you find products that you want to promote. Once you've got those products, you then create content around them. You can do this, as I've mentioned, in the form of a free blog. You can do this on YouTube. You can even do things like going onto Quora, answering questions, Pinterest, Facebook groups, and lots more. That is your traffic, which we're going to be using to get to our affiliate offers. And then once we've done all of that process, we then go over, I use get response here, and I create a web form here. Somebody gives me their name and email here. They get the bonuses, I get the name and email, and it goes into my email list. And that was basically the whole process of how I went from earning $170 in a year to over 40,000 in a year. And that was just one thing I learned about affiliate marketing once I understood everything and how to structure it, and a lot more. So look, what I will do is I'll drop a link as well below for you. I'll drop links to everything I've mentioned before. I'll also drop a link to a $7 affiliate marketing course. That is a course that I took, and it taught me about this process that I've shown you here, but it walks you through everything in a lot more detail. It talks about funnels, email marketing, and it's without a doubt the best $7 that I've ever spent to learn affiliate marketing. So I'll drop all of those links below for you, but essentially that is how you make money with affiliate marketing over on Warrior Plus. So that's today's video. So if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. If you liked it, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. But look, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.